Object retrieval is a fun and valuable way to provide confidence underwater while teaching an important safety skill. It helps swimmers become comfortable below the surface and prepares them to recover from an unexpected submersion by learning how to push themselves back to the top. Start by dropping a sinking pool toy or object to the bottom of the pool. Then instruct your swimmer to dive down to retrieve it by pointing their shoulders toward the object, lifting the legs up behind them, and beginning kicking straight down to propel towards the bottom. Let swimmers know that releasing a bit of air by blowing bubbles can help them dive deeper. Once they reach the object and have it in hand, have them plant both feet on the pool floor and push off forcefully, kicking with power as they return to the surface. After surfacing, swimmers should either roll into a back float or swim back to the wall to complete the exercise. This reinforces proper safety responses after surfacing. When teaching this for the first time, some swimmers may struggle to reach the bottom. You may need to hold their hand and guide them downward. Helping them reach the bottom allows them to practice the push-off independently. As they gain strength and confidence, they'll be able to complete the full sequence on their own.